Good morning, students. In last lecture already we have completed exercise 4.1. Today we will start exercise 4.2. First question is, which of the following options is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has A, unique solution, B, only two solutions, and third, infinitely many solutions. Let us solve this. The equation is y equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, let us find out its answer. इक्वेशन इज y इक्वल्स टू 3x प्लस 5 है ना. y इक्वल्स टू 3x प्लस 5. ओके, नाउ सपोज y इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5. लेट मी सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 0. x इक्वल टू 0, देन आई विल गेट 3 instead of x 0 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 I will get y equals to 5. The first solution I have obtained x equal to 0 and y equal to 5. If I take x equals to 1, then I will get y equal to 3 bracket 1 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 8. What I will get? 8. Same if I take x equals to 2, then I will get y is equal to 3 instead of x 2 plus 5. So 3 2s are 6 plus 5 11. Same way, if I take x equals to 2, then another value of y I will get. Even I can take x equal to 3 also, x equal to 4 also, x equal to 5 also. So for every value of x you will get various values of y. So just think कि how many value of x we can take. Even you can take negative value also. Even you get negative value also. Let me explain. Suppose if I want to take negative value, we have y equal to 3x plus 5. I want to take x equal to minus 1. Then it will be y 3 instead of x minus 1 plus 5. It will be minus 3 plus 5 equals to 2. Okay. If I take x equals to minus 2, then I will have 3 instead of x minus 2 plus 5. So minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. So in short, infinitely negative value you can take as well as infinite positive value also you can take. So these are the solutions. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. So how many solutions you can get? जितने आप x की वैल्यू ले सकते हो उतने आपको सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे. So we can take infinite value of x. So how many solutions we are going to get? Infinite. Okay. So we'll get infinitely many solutions. We'll get infinitely many solutions. Okay. So answer of this first, it will be number 3. Infinitely many solutions. Let us solve question second. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Let us solve this. Here we have question. Okay, it is write 4 solution for each of the following. First is 2x plus y equals to 7. See, to simplify this, first of all we'll make those variable subject which have coefficient 1. If you look now, this coefficient of x is 2 and beside y nothing written, that means its coefficient is 1. So whatever variable have coefficient 1, will make that variable subject. So what we have to do, we'll shift this 2x towards right hand side. As you shift 2x towards right hand side, you will get y equals to 7 minus 2x. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll take different value of x. See, always whatever variable you are having towards right hand side na, that value we are going to take. Right hand side we have x, so different value of x we can take. Even you can start value of x from 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and even negative number also you can take. Again I repeat, you can take any value of x, पॉजिटिव नंबर, नेगेटिव नंबर, फ्रैक्शन, ज़ीरो, सब। ले हम यहाँ पर ऐसी एक्स की वैल्यू लेंगे ताकि हमें सॉल्व करने में कंफर्ट रहे। सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ज़ीरो। सो लेट एक्स इक्वल्स टू ज़ीरो। ओके, इफ आई टेक एक्स इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, देन y equals to 7 minus 2. Now this, instead of x, what will write? 0. So it will be 0. Okay, so we'll have y equals to 7 minus 0. So it will be 0. So here we have first value of x and y, x0, y0. But how many solutions we want? Check it out. We want 4 solutions. Okay, so let us find out second solution. Now to find out second solution, one more value of x we going to take. Let us take one more value of x. Suppose if I take x equals to 1, x equal to 1, then let us substitute values. Then we'll have y equals to 7, this 7 as it is, 7 minus 2, and instead of x what we are going to write? 1. So it is very easy, simple. This 7 I have written as it is, minus 2, and instead of x, instead of this x, 1. Okay, so here we'll have y equals to 7 as it is, minus 2 ones are 2. So now we'll have value of y, 7 minus 2 how much? 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so here we'll have y equals to 7 minus 2 ones are 2, so we'll have y equal to 7 minus 2, what it will be? 5. Okay, this is another solution, second solution we have. Now for the third solution, one more value of y we going to take, one more value of x we going to take. Suppose let us take x equals to 0, 1 we have take 0 already taken, x equal to 1 taken. Now we'll take x equals to 2. Okay, same way. So y equals to this 7 as it is, 7 minus 2, instead of x what we'll write? 2. So 7 minus 2 bracket, instead of x what we are going to write? 2. So here it will be y equals to y equal to 7 minus 2 to the 4. So it will be y equals to 7 minus 4 will be 3. Okay, so now let us take one more value of y because we want 4 solutions. So now first we have took x equal to 0, then 1, then 2. Now we'll take x equals to 3. Okay, x equals to 3. If I take x equals to 3, then we'll have y equals to 7 minus 2, and instead of x what we are going to write? 3. So here it will be y equals to 7 minus 2 3 are 6. So we'll have value of y 7 minus 6. How much will be 7 minus 6? It will be 1. Okay, so here we are having different values of x and y. See what it is asked to us, write 4 solution. So we'll make table, or we'll write this 4 solution in the form of table. So here it is x, here it is y. Okay, so for x equal to 0 we have y equals to 0. For x equals to 1 we have y equals to 5. For x equals to 2 we have y equals to 3. For x equals to 3 we have y equals to 1. So at last you have to make table like this. So here first question of question second is over. Go through it. Clear? Now let us solve second. Here we have second number. In the second number also we want to find out 4 solutions. So first of all check it out कि which variable doesn't have coefficient or which variable have coefficient 1. Coefficient of x is pi, coefficient of y not given, so we'll assume 1. So coefficient of y is 1, so what we'll do, we'll make y subject. If I want to make y subject, I must shift this pi x towards right hand side. Okay, pi x towards right hand side. So let us solve. So I will have y equals to 9 minus pi x. 9 minus pi x. So as I told you, so whatever variable we have towards right hand side, that value we are going to take. So right hand side what we have, x. So we'll start to take value of x from 0. So let us take first value of x, be x equals to 0. Okay, if I take x equal to 0, I will get y equals to 9 minus, now instead of x what we are going to write, 0. Okay, so we'll have y equals to 9 minus 0. So 9 minus 0 will be 0. So here we have first solution. When I take x equal to 0, I will get y equals to 0. Let us take one more value of x. Say x equals to 1. If I take x equals to 1, then we'll have y equals to 9 minus, instead of x what we are going to write, 1. Okay, so now it will be y equals to 9 minus pi into 1 will be pi itself, है ना, pi into 1 will be pi. Now we cannot subtract pi from 9, so that's it is our solution. Y is 9 minus pi. See, it is very easy. Left hand side variables value we are going to take, so x equal to 1. So this y as it is, 9 as it is, pi as it is, instead of x what we have to substitute, 1. So 9 minus pi into 1 will be pi, so value of y will be 9 minus pi. Now we will take one more value of x. 0 already we have taken, x equal to 1 we have taken. Now we will take x equals to 2. Let us take x equals to 2. So we will have y equals to 9 minus, instead of x what will write, 2. Then we will have y equals to 9 minus pi into 2 will be, pi into 2 will be 2 pi. What it will be? 2 pi. So I cannot subtract 2 pi from 9. So as it is, let me explain once again. Say if I take x equals to 2, so this y as it is, 9 as it is minus pi, and instead of x what are we going to write? 2. So 9 minus 2 into pi will be 2 pi. So 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, let us take one more value of x, which is x equals to 3. Okay, x equals to 3. So here we'll have y equals to 9 minus instead of x what we going to write? 3. So we'll have y equals to 9 minus pi into 3 will be 3 pi. What will be pi into 3? 3 pi. So again we cannot subtract 3 pi from 9. So here the sum is over. So now we are having 4 solutions. Which 4 solution we have? Let us write these all 4 solutions. X, y. For x equal to 0, what is value of y? 0. For x equal to 1, what is value of y? 9 minus pi. Okay. For x equals to 2, what is value of y? It is 9 minus two pi. For x equals to 3, what is value of y? 9 minus 3 pi. Okay, so in this way we have find out the solutions, and same way you have to copy in your CW. Okay, go through it. Clear? Let us solve next one, which is number 3. Here it is number 3. See, already subject is given. Already they have made x as subject. Check it out. See, whatever variable is towards left hand side, that is called subject, and whatever variable is towards right hand side, that value we substitute. Already वहाँ पर उन्होंने x को सब्जेक्ट बनाया हुआ है, so no need to make x subject. Directly we will find out solutions. We know very well कि which variables value we take? The variable which is towards right hand side. So here variable towards right hand side is y. So we'll take different value of y, and that will start from 0, है ना, because it is convenient for us. So if I take y equals to 0, then I will get x equals to 4 into 0. So 4 into 0 will be obviously 0. So it is very easy. If I take y equal to 0, this x will be as it is, है ना, equals to 4. Instead of y what will write? 0. Now 4 into 0 will be 0. Simple. Okay. Now let us take one more value of y. Let if I take y equals to 1, now we'll take y equals to 1. Then we'll have x equals to 4. Instead of y what we going to write? 1. So here we'll have x equals to 4 ones are 4. Very easy. Y equal to 1, so this x as it is, equal to 4 as it is. Instead of y what we going to write? 1. So 4 ones are 4. Simple. Now what we'll do? We'll take value of y 2. You see, even negative value also you can take, but we are comfortable with the positive value, that's why I am taking only positive values. Okay. So now we'll have x equals to 4. Instead of y what we are going to write? 2. So we'll have x equals to 4 2s are 8. Okay. Let us take one more value of y, say 3. If I take y equals to 3, then I will have x equals to 4 instead of x, instead of y what we are going to write? 3. So now we'll have x equals to 4 3s are 12. Okay, so here we are having different solutions. Let us write this all solution in the form of bracket. So here it is our x, here it is y. If I take, see अब यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है लिखते टाइम. First value of y we have considered, and x is 0. X is 0, then y 0, then x 4, y 1, x 8, y 2, x 13, y 3. So here this question third of number second is also over. Go through it. It's very easy, है ना? Okay, let us move towards question number 3. Question number 3 is, read the question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x equal to y minus 4 and which are not. So here we have to find out which are the solutions and which are not. Okay, check which of the following are solutions of the equations x equal to y minus 4, x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. See, it is very easy, very easy. Let us solve number first. See, we know very well that in this coordinate, first coordinate represent value of x and second coordinate represent value of y. So here we can take, or here we can say that we are having value of x 0 and value of y 2. Okay, so simple, whatever equation we have now, that is x minus 2y equals to 4. In this equation we are going to substitute value of x and y, but we substitute value towards only left hand side, only towards left hand side. If you are getting right hand side 4, that means these 0 2 are the solution. If you are not getting right hand side 4, that means 0 2 are not the solution of the equation. Simple. So here we'll take x minus, just a minute, x minus 2y. Now let us substitute values of x and 2y. We know very well value of x is 0 minus 2, value of y is 2. If I simplify this, then I will get 0 minus 2 to the 4. Then we know very well that 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. Say, so here we want right hand side plus 4, but we are getting right hand side minus 4. That means what? X minus 2y equal to 4 is not a, that means 0 2 is not a solution of given equation. So we conclude that 0 2 is not a solution of given equation. Okay, same way Same way, we'll solve number second. For number second, we have 2 0. So here value of x, first coordinate is called x coordinate. The value of x is 2, while value of y is 0. Okay. So here right hand side, what right hand side we have x minus 2y, है ना. Equation no doubt it is x minus 2y equals to 4, but we have to substitute in the left hand side only na, which is x minus 2y. So write x minus 2y. So substitute value of x and y. Value of x is 2 minus 2 into value of y is 0. Then we'll get 2 minus 2 zeros are 0. Then we'll have 2 minus 0 2. Okay, check it out. So simple. Left hand side is x minus 2y. So instead of x I have written 2 minus 2 as it is. Instead of y what we have written 0, because value of y is 0. So it will be 2 minus 2 into 0 will be 0. So 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 will be 2. But right hand side should be 4. Then only we can say it is the solution. लेकिन राइट हैंड साइड हमें 4 नहीं मिल रहा है, हमें मिल रहा है 2. उसका मतलब कि 2 0 सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. ओके. दैट मीन्स 2 0 is not a solution of given equation. Okay. Question second is solved. Let us solve question number 3 or third one. So here first coordinate is 4. So value of x we have 4 and value of y we have 0. So again we'll take left hand side, which one is the left hand side of the equation. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज x माइनस 2y. उसके अंदर x और y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. आना क्या चाहिए 4. तो सॉल्यूशन है, अदरवाइज सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. ओके. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी हैव x माइनस 2y है ना. Let us substitute value of x and y. Value of x is what? Value of x is 4 minus 2. Value of y is 0. So here we'll have 4 minus 2 zeros are 0. So we'll have 4 minus 0 4. Okay. So what we want towards right hand side? We required 4 and we are getting the 4. है ना. मैंने अभी क्या बताया था कि इफ़ वी सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इफ़ वी गेट राइट हैंड साइड 4, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ सॉल्यूशन. सो हियर वी आर गेटिंग राइट हैंड साइड 4. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? 4 0 4 0 is a solution of given equation. Okay, 4 0 is a solution of given equation. Same way, let us solve 2 and 4.2. It is 4.2. Let me check it out whether it is 4.2 or something else. Here we have questions. Where is here? It is a 4.1. Here we have 4.2. Sorry, it is root 2 and 4 root 2. It is root 2 and 4 root 2. Let us solve root 2 and 4 root 2. just a minute. Okay, so here we have root 2 and 4 root 2. What we have? Root 2 and 4 root 2. Root 2 and 4 root 2. And left hand side is what? X minus 2y. So instead of x, what I am going to write? Root 2 minus 2. Instead of y, I will write 4 root 2. So I will have root 2 minus 2 4s are 8 root 2. Now plus minus minus, plus minus minus, 8 minus 1, 7 root 2 greater number sign. Once again, we know we are having left hand side x minus 2y. So instead of x, I will write root 2 minus as it is, 2 as it is. Instead of y, I will write 4 root 2. So root 2 as it is minus here 2 4s are, ये जो मैंने शो किया है, 2 4s are 8 root 2. नाउ प्लस माइनस माइनस 8 रूट 2 में से 1 रूट 2 गया तो कितने रूट 2 बचे? 7 रूट 2 इन ग्रेटर नंबर साइन. बट हियर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग राइट हैंड साइड 4. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? रूट 2 and 4 root 2 is not a solution of given equation. Okay, go through it. Clear? This number 5th, it will be your homework. Same way you have to solve. No new method is there. Now let us solve question number 4. Here it is. Find value of k if x2 y equals to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. Simple. Here we want value of k na, and we are having value of x and y that are 2 and 1. So instead of x I will write 2 and instead of a y I will write 1. Then I will get value of k. Let us simplify. So here the equation we have 2x plus 3y equals to k. Okay, now we substitute the values. 2 instead of x what we have? 2 plus 3 instead of y what we substitute? 1 equals to k as it is. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 equals to k. So 4 plus 3 7 equals to k. So here we are having value of k 7. See, it is very easy. We are having 2x plus 3y equal to k. So 2 as it is, instead of x what we will write? 2 that I have written. है ना? Plus as it is, 3 as it is, instead of y what we are going to write? 1. Here it is given the equation y is 1. K as it is. So these 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3, k as it is. 4 plus 3 7 equals to k. That's it. So here this exercise is over. Go through this question. Clear everybody? So let us end up this lecture over here. Bye and have a safe day.